Every once in a while, somebody comes to us with a pretty unique request for a backyard renovation. This one, I think you're going to want to see. When we talk about making your backyard your own and injecting your lifestyle and personality into it, this is the epitome of it.
Roger. All units, 1570 is following a code 37 vehicle.
We're building a horror-themed pond and waterfall. Our clients here are really excited to have a new pond and waterfall. There was an existing water feature here. They incurred some leaking over winter, and upon investigation we realized that it just wasn't going to make sense to repair it. So we figured if we're going to put the time into it, why not just make it something way cooler.
We kind of decided to go all out on it. Me and my wife are big geeks, and one of our things with our house has been, let's do all that dumb fun stuff you want to do as a kid, because now we're adults and we can. My wife came up with a design document, and we showed them. They were super excited for it, which was really cool. That they're like, yeah, this sounds like a great, crazy idea. Let's do it. And it's so different from how it was, and I think it's really going to be really cool by the end.
Right now I'm using the laser level to determine whether or not this shelf we've built is at the right height.
It is Chris's favorite part of the yard.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
These homeowners started their journey thinking they were going to get the backyard water feature that came with their house repaired. Instead, they decided to make it theirs. They'll be spending a lot of time enjoying their backyard. Let us know in the comments, what would you do to your backyard to make it yours? Want more inspiration? Check out this next video or visit us at sierralandscapemanagement.com. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you again.